please welcome Mr. Hatzel.
Respected chairperson of this session, all participants, my friends. My topic of research is a psychological study of parental acceptance, avoidance attitude, and adjustment of urban and rural students. There are hundreds of researchers already have tried to study parent-child relationships. There are parents who treat their children either with harsh discipline or empathetic understanding, with differences or warmth, with love or rejection. All these attitudes adapted towards child rearing practices have deep and lasting consequences on child's emotional life. So this study is important because of it is universal, because there are common attitudes we can see everywhere. But as per environment of India, nowadays the number of joint families is getting decreasing. Parents are working, children are studying apart from their parents. They can't always stay together with their grandparents. That the concept of nuclear families has emerged. In nuclear families, there will be father, mother, and most of 2 children. The parents take care of their children. Also, the income of parents is more compared to those in olden days. So children are giving better education, children are compared, and they are given what they want. As there is only a single or at most 2 children, they didn't have a share anything with others. So what a parental acceptance attitude? Parental acceptance attitude implies an attitude of love for the child. The accepting parent put the child in a position of importance in the home and develop a relationship of emotional warmth. Parental acceptance encourages the child and makes itself apparent in receptive or positive attitude towards the child's idea and judgments, worthiness and capability, love and affection and admiration, along with adequate attention towards him. Avoidance attitude means the avoidance attitude of parents manifests itself in interpersonal relationship in direct ways. When the child has to face excessive criticism, jealousy, comparison, harsh and inconsistent punishment by both of either or the parents in his upbringing. An avoidance attitude of parents may also exhibit itself in physical neglect, denial of love and affection, lack of interest in his activities, and failure to spend time with him. This adjustment is the concept of, it is old concept. The process of adjustment starts from the birth of child and continues till his death. Psychologists use the term adjustment in varying conditions of social or interpersonal relationships in the society. Adjustment means a reaction to the demands and pressure of social environment imposed upon the individual. The demand may be external or internal to whom the individual to react. There are I here home adjustment, then health adjustment, social adjustment, and emotional adjustment. The aim of the study is the present study was to explore the effect of various levels of parental acceptance avoidance attitude on various areas of adjustment of urban and rural junior college students. I have prepared some hypotheses First hypothesis, there exists no significant effect of various levels of parental acceptance attitude on adjustment of urban and rural junior college students. Second was, there exists no significant effect of various levels of parental avoidance attitude on adjustment of urban and rural junior college students. There would be no significant difference between urban and rural junior college students on various areas of adjustment. Sample, the 847 students, means 427 boys and 420 girls, studying in 11th class of various junior colleges in Sangli, Satara and Kolhapur districts of Western Maharashtra in India, were selected by random sampling method. They varied in age range from 16 to 70 years. And I selected 30 junior colleges among Sangli, Satara and Kolhapur districts have been visited to collect the sample of the students. There are tools, psychological tools I have used. First, family relationship inventory, FRI. It is prepared by Seri and Sinha. The next, Bell's adjustment inventory, but it is developed by Dr. R.K. Oza in India. Procedure of the collection of the data. There are principals of the junior colleges in Sangli, Satara, Kolhapur districts were contacted and permission was sought from them to administer the psychological test, and this psychological test was administered one by one. Results and discussion. Hypothesis 1, there exists no significant effect on adjustment of various levels of parental acceptance of adolescents. So, area of adjustments was DV and parental acceptance levels was IV. So, we can see here in a home adjustment, parental acceptance level affects on home adjustment, social adjustment, but health adjustments and emotional adjustment is not significantly effect found. Then second hypothesis, there exists no significant effect of various levels of parental avoidance on adjustments and its 4 areas. And also, one way ANOVA I have calculated here, parental avoidance is IV and area of adjustment is DV. And then here also we found that if you see the F value, and it will found that all home, health, social, emotional and adjustment, total adjustment is significantly affects parental avoidance attitude affects on this all areas of adjustment. Then third hypothesis was that I calculated T value, and I tried to find out the urban-rural area students' home adjustment is differ or not. And it is, I think, you can say the T values, the home, health, social, emotional and overall adjustment. It is significantly differ for urban and rural as per area. And so conclusion, the findings of the study reveal that it is revealed that 3 groups of parental acceptance attitude are significantly varied on home and social adjustment. It means that parental acceptance affect home and social adjustment of adolescents. High parental acceptance create excellent adjustment, and low parental acceptance creates poor adjustments in adolescents. The study revealed that parental avoidance attitude significantly affects on adjustment of adolescents. High parental avoidance attitude significantly creates poor adjustment in adolescents than average and low parental avoidance attitude. There is significant difference between urban and rural adolescents on adjustment. Urban adolescents have better adjustment than rural adolescents. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We have time for some questions. Just wait for the microphone, please.
I have a question for you. Why did you select the adolescent group from ages 16 to 17?
Yes, sir. Naturally, it was my major research project.
No,
what
I'm asking you is, why not a younger, a bigger age, like 14 to 17 or something like that? Why 16 to 17?
In adolescence, that age is definitely growing, and they are more problematic because they are living with other peer groups and parental. There is a clashes is more in that group.
But I would think the adolescent age would be more prominent from about 14 to 17. By the time they come to age 16 or 17, they would be adjusted to a certain extent. That is my first question. Then the second one is about the extended family system. I would think that in a country like India, extended family system has a very great impact like in Sri Lanka. So did you ever examine whether the extended family system had no influence at all on this adjustment that you are talking of?
Yes, yes. Because in India, in various areas, we can see the culture is different. In state to state, there is a culture. So I have focused on only Maharashtra, that regional area only.
But even then, I think the extended family system is at work in India, right?
Yes, yes. Well,
So doesn't
but joint families now they are it is now decreasing in everywhere. Means in India, because urbanization is increasing. That time nuclear families are increasing.